Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. So Bonk is really good on the monthly time frame because I think June is about to get really crazy in crypto. From June, July, August, these are the months that you're going to see wild times in crypto. We're really about to get a massive run in crypto. Sometimes I cannot say anything bad about Bonk at the moment because of how good crypto is really being to nowadays to people. And you have your Bitcoin being approved for ETF, you have Ethereum being approved for ETF. Imagine that, Ethereum being approved for ETF. What is it going to do for altcoin? Because we know when Ethereum goes up, altcoins really go crazy as well. Bitcoin dominance, on the other hand, is pretty much pumped, and the dominance is looking to fall down. And when Bitcoin dominance falls down, you're going to see alt season. And I will bring alt season. Adam Coin is responsible for so many things, bringing the bull run, bringing the altcoins, killing zeros from meme coins. Man, I have a lot of responsibilities on my shoulders, but I'm actually going to make sure that we do all the responsibilities, one by one. But the thing is, Bonk here is now at a very important place. I've told you, I've given you a time limit, and the time limit is very close. We're looking for 27th of May. So right now, I just want to tell you, if you do pop down like this, you're looking for a technical target back down to 3040. And unfortunately, as much as I hate to admit this, you do have a bearish divergence as well. Okay, so price moving up and RSI moving down is not a good thing. This is not good when you see things like that, especially you're also sitting on resistance right there. But keep in mind, if we still have like this technical target, we still have 4435 on the cards because of that inverse head and shoulders we talked about previously. So let's see. Today's 26, I guess. Tomorrow is 27. So within 24 hours, we should know what exactly is Bonk really made of. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next round of office.